Hey guys, Paula here. So this is a ruby necklace succulent, and as you can see, I do have it in a hanging basket. This here, you're going to water every couple of weeks. It does like to go ahead and actually dry out. It is considered a hanging, trailing succulent. So as it grows, you can see here that it actually has kind of these long little arms that will continue to grow, and then it will actually fall over the pot, just like these guys are. You want it to go ahead and get lots of sunlight. The more sunlight, the better, because it's actually going to go ahead and allow this burgundy color to actually pop out, and it's going to continue to darken the leaves. So just like that guy right there, you can see that that one's got kind of some purplish on it. So the more sunlight it gets, the darker that the purple and reddish is actually going to go ahead and come out. Now mine does have a couple of little flowers that are trying to pop out, so in the next few days or so, this one's going to go ahead and flower for me. Now this will grow about 2 feet long once it's actually fully matured, and if you don't want to go ahead and put it in a hanging pot, you can actually go ahead and put it straight into the ground, and it'll be fantastic for ground cover. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you felt the video was helpful, please go ahead and hit that thumb below so that other people will know to watch this video.